It's kind of the experience we need, even though we don't realise we need it. You can go into Surfers Paradise, you can go down to Brewer Beach, and you can have an experience that's kind of nature in a way, but when you come here, you are right in the middle of nature. A welcome to country, it's not like you're welcoming everybody to Australia, you're welcoming people to your area, to your space. It's a nice way to kind of get people talking about culture. Every time I do something with people, it's important. And I call it Woollabora, which is engaging and sharing with one another. When people start to learn about Aboriginal culture and Torres Strait Islander culture, they take that with them, and then that's how we can bring cultures together, is through that truth-telling. A lot of people don't even realise it. They go to somewhere and they go, man, I feel so connected to a certain place. And there's probably something in that. There's definitely a place for everybody where we will feel very connected to a certain part of a country.